What's up, everyone? This is a 2011 Avalon, but most Toyotas that have dual climate control, this will be solving your issue for you. So customer had a problem where the AC was already kind of weak, but on the driver's side it was blowing out hot air. Passenger side was somewhat cool. So I went to my instincts, got my AC machine hooked up. It was low on a charge. I recharged it to 1, but that became more apparent that the driver's side was definitely blowing out extremely hot air, and the passenger side was blowing out cold air, and this was all doing some weird funky stuff. So after some research, I found out that the problem was with the blend door actuator, the driver's side, which is right over here. So you can see I just removed it, and what happens is it's stuck on heat right now. So when this was in, it was pushing the blend door to bring coolant in, and then when I removed it, it just went back to its normal setting, which is cool. So right now it's to the person's advantage, because right now it's blowing out nice cold air. But obviously, if they needed heat, it wouldn't work. So the correct fix to fix that issue where the driver's side's hot, the passenger side is cold, is to replace this blend door actuator. Super simple. It's just in like that. There's only 2 screws, one over here and then one over there. I use a longer screwdriver. A shorter screwdriver probably would help you a little better. Just a normal Phillips. The screws came off really easy. They're right over there. Those 2 little screws. Sensor comes off. You disconnect the connector, which is right over there. Get a new one. At AutoZone, it was like 135 bucks. You just, how much did you pay? Like 45 bucks on Amazon? Yeah, so 45 bucks on Amazon. I told the customer that they could just obviously ride like this, because all they care about is the heat right now, because Chicago summer is like 90 degrees outside. So their AC is super cold now with the fresh recharge. And then in a few days when that part comes in, I'll just swap it out for them real quick and problem solved. So if you have that issue with your Toyota, driver's side's blowing hot, passenger side's blowing cold, definitely replace that blend door. And for a temporary fix, like I said, just take a screwdriver, unscrew it, and pull it out so you got your AC back. All right, if there's any other questions, concerns, let me know. But thank you for watching, and until next time, peace.